Hi, today I'm going to solve a famous interview problem called maximum subarray, and which related to the topic array. So here they are saying about given an integer array nums, find the subarray which has the largest sum and return its sum. We have to find the subarray which has the largest sum. Okay, so I am declaring an variable called ans. This will be our answer, and I am assigning the first number of this array and also defining an variable called sum and also assigning the first element. So after that I am iterating this array from I1 element to the n, the length of the num array. I less than nums dot length I plus plus, and every time I assign a new value to our sum plus nums of I or nums of I. Which one is greater? I will assign the maximum value to the sum. That means currently our sum is the first element -2, and our current value is 1 and sum is equal to -2. So every in this first iteration we will -2 plus current element 1, -2 plus 1 or 1, which one is greater? Here -2 plus 1 is equal to -1 and nums of I is equal to 1. So 1 will be the answer. So we will assign sum is equal to 1. So after that, in every iteration we will get a new sum. So we have to check which one is larger. That will be our answer or sum. So we will get our answer, and after iteration we will just return the answer. It's only a 4-line of code, simple solution. And if we want to iterate, debug this code, we can just copy here. This is our array look like, and our first element and is equal to first element that is -2, and here also -2, and our current element is equal to 1. We are starting from index 1, and yeah, in the first iteration we are comparing sum plus nums of I. That is, sum is equal to -2 plus the nums of I. Current element is equal to 1, comma, and we are comparing with the current element. Which one is greater? That will assign to sum. Our here is it is -1 and this is 1. 1 will be greater. We will assign 1 into sum. So we will update this value into 1, and after that we will again check which one is large. So here we are checking our current answer is equal to -2 or sum. Which one is greater? 1. So we will assign 1 into our answer. And after I will be 2, in the next iteration I will be 2. Our next element will be -3. Here -3. So here our current sum is equal to 1, and we are adding nums of I, that is -3. 1 plus -3 is equal to -2, and our nums of I is equal to -3. 1 plus -2 or -3, which one is greater? -2. So we will assign -2 into our sum, and we will compare with here our answer is equal to 1, and our answer is equal to 1, and our sum is equal to -2. Then 1 will be greater, so it will not change. And in the next iteration 4 will come here. 4 will come here, and our current sum is equal to -2 plus 4 or 4. Which one is greater? -2 plus 4 is equal to 2, and 4 will be greater. So our sum will be 4, and here we will check 4 or answer is equal to 1 currently, and sum is equal to 4. Which one is greater? 4. So we will update here with 4, and in the next iteration -1 will come, current element will be -1, and we will check here sum, current sum is equal to 4. 4 plus -1, that is here -1. 4 plus -1 is equal to 3. 3 or -1, which one is greater? So our current will 3 is greater, so we will update 3 here, and we will compare here. The current answer is equal to 4, and current sum is equal to 3. 4 will be greater, so it will not change. And in the next iteration 2 will come, current element will be 2, and we are comparing with current sum is equal to 3. 3 plus current element 2, that is 2, and current 5 or 2, which one will be greater? 5, right? So we will update 5 here and compare here 4 or our current answer, or the sum, current sum, 4 or 5. 5 will be greater, so we will update 5 here, and again the iteration will continue, and the next current element is equal to 1, and our current sum is equal to 5. 5, yeah, current 5 plus 1 or 2, which one is greater? Sorry, 1, which one is greater? 6, right? So we will update some 6 here, and also compare here. Currently our answer is equal to 5, and our sum is equal to 6. Which one is greater? 6, right? So we will update 6 here, and go on. In next iteration minus current element is -5. So here our current sum is 6, and we add -5 here, and our current element is -5. So 6 plus -5 will be 1, and -5. Which one is greater? 1, right? So we will update 1 here, and we compare here is current answer with the current sum. 6 will be greater, so it will not change. We already have 6 here. So, and next iteration the current element will be 4, and current sum will be 1. 1 plus current element is equal to 4, current element 4. Then sum plus nums of 5 will be 5, and current element 4. So 5 will be the greatest. So we will update sum here, and we will again check here 6. Current answer is equal to 6, and the current sum is equal to 5. Which one is greater? 6. So it will not change, and the in next iteration it will end, because the length already we covered. The length of array is bounded, so after these things our answer will be 6, right? And we just return the answer. We can run this. Yeah, we will get yeah, the answer is 6, and if we try to submit, it should get accepted. Yeah, this is the simple answer for this. It's only 4 line of code, and the time complexity will be order of n, because we are iterating 1 to n. That's why it's order of n solution, and the space complexity will be only order of 0, because we are not using any other variable or array, or to store anything. We are just declaring only 2 variable for each test case. So space complexity will be order of 1, and I will also put this question in the description. You can find it there. Yeah, thank you.